Okay, you have your 4-pole, right? Guys, this is the red one and the black one. So take note when guys siya mo give off gani kasi ang current when it is parallel or perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular because there should be an intersection, di ba? So if ever gani yang pin kinadiri nga side, so ang iyahang black usually ang machine is not dapat sa head ha kay tan-awa tanan wires na dire. So unsa may best analog sa kilid. Alright? Now, you can maneuver your machine anywhere you place as long as dili siya samok. Pero this one, we don't have any space. So just, let's just go with it. But when you do your practical, make sure that the machine is properly placed. Alright? So you will have one electrode here for the black one. And the other black one is... The other black one is nasa ubos. Thank you. The other black one should be here. Okay, and the red one, dapat lagi dilagi sa ulo, no? Okay na ka, sir, ha? This one is the red here, and this one is for the red here. Miss, ano yung anak man? Anong dili man pwede? Anak, miss, anak sila. Because walay mo cross nga current. So, dapat siya opposite. Kaya naman itong opposite. Okay, let's make it more safe. Okay, anak, puyok naman dito. Basta so as lang, you get the point. Mudagan yung electrodes, nagka-sweat kayo ang pads. Alright. Sir, since when mo na-feeling mo pain, sir? Dugay na na? Karoon pa lang, bago pa lang, gahapon? Dugay na. Like, for how long, sir? 3 years? Years. Can we treat this patient? Unreliable one? It's okay. Like for example, he has experiencing this patient for a year or so, alright? So is it acute? Subacute, chronic? Chronic. So, how much do you want man to adjust this one if it's chronic? 20. Sige, let's have it. Let's have it 30. Very good. Because this side is chronic, subacute, acute. Correct? Yes. How about, do we want a sweep frequency? Practice madagandagan siya, di siya ma-accommodate? Yes. How much do you want, man? 20. You need 20. So, 20 plus 20, pila na siya? 40. So, from 20 hertz, mudagan siya up to 40 hertz. Alright. What do we want here, man? Is it a square, trapezoidal, or triangular? Square. Why square? Chronic. Very good. Alright. How about this one? Pain. Is it painful? Yes. So it's 4 kilohertz or 4,000 hertz. Get it? Kaya nga naman ang 2. Sa itong 2? Muscle contraction. Very good. Alright. Sa time, let's have it like, kailan yung ganahan? 20. Wow, you're so grade 1. Sige, go. Okay, how many poles did we use? 4. Wow, very grade 2. Get it? Alright. Miss, kani mas iset rin na mo, miss. Wala ra ni siya. Dili ni siya mo function, guys, if dili mo ninyo iset dira nga knob. Get it? Kaya if ever naka 4 poles siya, kakita mo nga ni shift ang light diri na lang. Wala na siya. Kevs na siya dira. Alright. Intensity, sir. I'm going to start na, sir, ha? Just tell me, sir, if you feel a prickling sensation. Kani, sir?
Okay.
Nana kayo na-feel, sir? Gamay. Di ko kadung, sir. Sir, are you feeling anything na?
Gamay ba?
Gamay. Do you want me to increase it?
Yes.
Yes, please. Sige pa, sir? Sige pa. Okay na siya? Alright, so mag-check din ka nga. I mean, before doing that, of course, the precaution for medications, just so you know ba. And then, for example, after 5 minutes, sir, do you want me to increase the intensity or you're just fine?
I'm just fine.
You're just fine. Alright. So, ano lang. This is how easy it is.
Miss, ang kana ba? First nga knob, miss.
First knob. What knob? This knob? This one?
Kaya ang first yun kay 4 electrodes yapon siya.
Yes, because it's used for synchronous asynchronous man. Kaya diba duha ka electrodes sa imong elbow flexors, duha ka electrodes sa imong wrist flexors. Pas ganina, pas the other time the EMF gani. What we use katong TENS gani nga machine, diba TENS na ko to EMF. Remember mato nga ang yung hala gituyo lagi na niya lagi flex lagi wag gito niya gituyo good. Are you still okay, sir?
Yes.
Alright, please don't sleep ha. Just sing me a lullaby so that you can sleep. You have questions, clarifications? None so far. So if the treatment na is good, let's say 0 na ang time.
No, miss.
Na-miss. Okay, if 0 na ang time, then you lower the intensity into 0 good. Ang sama. Di ba given ba nga ni 0 na ang time. Di man juga mabot nga dapat i-0 na ka sir kana ko lang patient, no? Mabuhat man jud ka na timer. Yes, question.
Dili man tani imong gigamit na apps siya.
This is for the vector scan, 4-pole method. You can use this if ang patient dili sure marag vague ra kayo iyang pain. You can just even this one ba?
Pinakalas.
Oh, okay.
Let's try to see sir if there's a difference. Is it okay?
Okay.
Sige. I'll try to increase the intensity na sir ha. Just tell me if you feel anything na ha. Nana sir, wala pa. Gamay.
Wala pa din.
Wala pa din na ka. Relax ang kamot. Because I'm looking at your hand. I cannot hear you man. I'm so bungol. Nana sir, wala pa.
Wala pa.
Ha?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Kana sir. Kana sir.
Wala din.
Wala gyud.
Ay.
Oh, kana ni tingog. Kana nana sir.
Ana.
Increase pa nako sir.
Sakto na.
Unsay difference sir?
Namatay
Sir, unsay difference sir?
Nasa ka ng hindi ko ma-describe.
Please describe.
Katong ganina unsa man ko.
Ganina is steady lang, continuous.
Kaya nagbalin-balhig dyan siya.
Ganina?
Ay, karon ba?
Karon. Oh yeah, right. So, okay, guys, take note tayo na feel ko no karon kinagbalin-balin ko no ang current. That is vector scan. Scan na siya. Alright?
Sige, usab ato ko.
Norvin Shield ba?
Ang nausab ato guys kay ato rang gibutang ato ang electrode mode sa 4-pole vector scan.
Saman.
Alright?
Norvin Shield Viper.
So again, when you're done, let's say given 0 na, you lower the intensity. Ana lagi ako siya. Okay? Questions, clarifications? Good morning, Miss Shane. Gusto mo sa synchronous?
Thank you.
Sa'yo mag-akon sa ES, no? So, do you want, lahi na po